Hey, hello guys. Today the Bundesliga fixtures, the return new date released of all the match. As you are seeing on the screen, you can see the reschedules of the Bundesliga, all the match. The match will start from the 16th May. So if you're seeing my channel first time, please subscribe the channel to get the latest update about the Bundesliga. Like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching. You can continue the watching this video till the end because schedules are there of 16th, 17th and 18th. Regarding any query, you can comment in the comment box. Bundesliga is the first league to be started in this lockdown.